Do you feel like managing your Azure resources getting messy? Don't worry, Azure Resource Tagging can help you to stay organized and keep track of everything easily. Hi, this is Ram. Welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel. This channel is all about making cloud computing to understand easily. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how Azure Resource Tagging works. And this is simple but powerful tool to organize your cloud resources, whether it's for tracking cost or managing the projects. These tags are literally makes your life a lot easier. Okay, so if that sounds helpful, let's get started. Okay, what is that Azure tags? Azure tags are literally a labels that you can attach to your resources in the cloud. Okay, things, for example, think them as a sticky notes. Okay, generally why we are using sticky notes? Okay, which is to organize and then which is to find things more easily. Same thing. These tags are made up of keys and values. Okay, let me show you one thing. Let me show you the resource group tagging. So for that, I'm just going to create a virtual machine here. Okay, I'm just going to apply the tags to this virtual machine. Okay, I'm just going to create this virtual machine under the production environment. So I'm just going to give it like prod vm1. Okay, so this is going to be the resource group name as well, and which is going to be in central India. Availability zone is fine, and which gonna use okay, ubuntu version, and password is root admin, and we need to define the port. Yeah, port 22 is fine. And coming to the disk, okay, in this disk also I'm not going to update anything. Skip these. Hmm. Now we are in the tag session. Okay, so here I'm just going to give some values that literally helps me to organize these resources. Okay, for example, first I'm going to give the owner. Owner is Ram. Okay, and environment. Environment is for protection. Okay, production. And the third one, which is going to be department. Department, and which can be IT. Mm, and operating system. Operating system is Ubuntu. Okay, so these four tags I'm literally, these four key properties I'm adding here. Okay, let's say, and let's create it. Hmm. Okay, so just before we have created on resources with some tags. Okay, so for example, um, these tags are literally helps to filter the respective domain resources. For example, my clients wants to identify which are all production machines. Means using these tags, I can easily retrieve the resources. And uh, I just wanted to tell um, who's the responsible person to this resource. Okay, so to identify this, I can give the owner details just before we give the owner details, right? Like that we can give. And department, okay, see, which is to assign to the cost right team. Okay, so like we can give the tags. See, let me show you those tags in the console. Hmm. See. we have configured, and is the filter option. And if you wanted to see those essential data in the JSON view, you can find it over here. Mhm. See, just before we added some tags property, right? Those all come over. Owner is RAM, production is environment is production, department is IT, OS is open. Like not only for virtual machines, you can apply this to your storage account, virtual network, like whatever the resources should have should have tags, you can apply over there. And um, where and all we can apply these Azure resources, Azure tags. See, not only in resource level, you can apply tags in resource group level also. Let me show you. See, just go here, demo resource group. Okay, which is going to present an ease to us. See, here also I can add it. Okay, for example, this resource group also had an owner. Owner name is Sharvesh. Um, his okay, his purpose is web hosting. Okay, so for that I'm just going to give this. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so just review and then create it. Okay, resource level tags we can apply, resource group level tags also we can apply, and also we can apply tags to the subscription as well. Just go here, go to the subscription, there also we can apply tags. Okay, while creating the subscription we can update the tags. Okay, currently this one I already created. Okay, but in your case, or if you are going to create it newly, you can apply a new tags for your resources which would apply to your all your resources. And also inheritance won't happen here. Inheritance means, for example, if I'm gonna apply a resource group, if I'm gonna apply a tags to a resource group, those tags won't reflect to the VMs. Okay, so same like if I'm going to add a tags to the subscription, those tags won't apply to the resource groups, resource group tags. Okay, so why we are applying that means, which is to organize from our end. Okay, from Azure side they won't apply, they won't make any changes to do a filtration in a high end level. We are applying this subscription, sorry, we are applying this tags to our resources. Okay, and if my client wants to fetch the report for huge amount of resource in that particular time and all, these resource tags would literally helps. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys in this video. In the next video I'll come up with an interesting topic. Yeah, thank you everyone, bye, see you in the next video.